Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an Acura TL headlight bulb. First, gather your tools: a flathead screwdriver, a new headlight bulb, and protective gloves. Make sure your car's engine is completely off and cool to the touch for safety. Wearing gloves is crucial to prevent oils from your skin from damaging the new bulb, ensuring its longevity. This simple process can save you time and money, getting you back on the road with clear visibility quickly. Now, open your car's hood and identify the headlight assembly you need to work on. You might find a plastic engine cover obstructing your view. Gently remove it to gain better access to the bulb housing. Once you have a clear path, locate the electrical connector attached to the back of the old headlight bulb. Carefully disconnect this connector by pressing its release tab and pulling it straight off. This step prepares the bulb for removal. With the connector off, you'll see a retaining spring or clip holding the bulb in place. Gently unclip or release this spring, allowing the old bulb to come free. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its housing. Avoid twisting it. Now, take your new bulb, still wearing gloves, and insert it straight into the housing. Make sure it's seated firmly and correctly aligned before re-engaging the retaining spring to secure it. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your brand new bulb, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Before closing everything up, turn on your car and test the headlights to confirm they are working correctly and shining brightly. If everything looks good, you can replace any covers and close the hood. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This simple repair ensures your safety and visibility on the road, especially at night.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.